This is a 2026 Suzuki Intruder. The engineering on this blue and white beauty is unmatched, offering both power and style for the ultimate ride.
Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for cruiser lovers who crave muscle bike attitude with everyday comfort. If you've ever wanted a motorcycle that looks bold, rides smooth, and turns heads without screaming for attention, stay with me, because the Suzuki Intruder 2026 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Let's start with the audience hook. Imagine a modern cruiser that keeps its classic Intruder DNA, but adds sharper styling, better technology, and refined performance for 2026. Suzuki hasn't just refreshed the Intruder, they've redefined it for riders who want power, presence, and practicality in one package. The design of the 2026 Suzuki Intruder feels muscular and premium. The low-slung stance, wide fuel tank, and stretched wheelbase give it that true American-style cruiser look. Up front, the LED headlamp and updated DRLs add a modern edge, while the sculpted body panels and blacked-out engine parts make it look aggressive and clean at the same time. Under the tank, the engine is expected to be a refined V-twin or updated parallel twin setup tuned for strong low-end torque. This means effortless cruising on highways, smooth acceleration in city rides, and that deep, satisfying exhaust note Intruder fans love. Suzuki has clearly focused on making the ride smoother, quieter, and more responsive for long-distance comfort. When it comes to riding comfort, the 2026 Suzuki Intruder really shines. The relaxed riding posture, forward-set foot pegs, and wide handlebar make it perfect for long rides. The seat cushioning has been improved, and the suspension setup feels more balanced, absorbing bumps while keeping the bike stable at higher speeds. On the technology side, Suzuki brings the Intruder into the modern era. Expect a fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, ride-by-wire throttle, and advanced safety features like dual-channel ABS and traction control. These upgrades make the Intruder not just stylish, but also smart and rider-friendly. The handling and braking feel confident and predictable. The low center of gravity helps with stability, especially at cruising speeds, while the upgraded disc brakes provide strong stopping power. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the Intruder feels planted and controlled. Now let's talk about who this bike is for. The Suzuki Intruder 2026 is perfect for riders who want a premium cruiser look without going into extreme heavyweight territory. It's ideal for daily commuting, weekend highway rides, and long tours, all while maintaining that iconic cruiser personality. To wrap it up, the Suzuki Intruder 2026 blends classic cruiser charm with modern performance and technology. It's bold, comfortable, and refined, built for riders who want to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Welcome back anytime, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting motorcycle story.